On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make your first sale on Clickbank affiliate marketing. One of the most common mistakes affiliate marketers do is that you come to Clickbank, you look at the product gravity and you begin to promote. So we look at products with higher gravity, then we promote. So here in this video, I'm going to introduce to you a website that can guide you to select the right product so that you can earn your first ever commission on Clickbank. This is a simple strategy that you can follow to make your first commission on Clickbank affiliate marketing. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I will show you the website that can help you to select the right product. I'll also show you the traffic source that you can use to make your first sale. So this is a complete tutorial. Make sure you stick around and watch the entire video. So now let's get into the details. So the website that we are going to use to get the useful statistics about the product that we need to promote is called cbengine.com. So on this website we can get a lot of information about the products on Clickbank so that we can determine which product that is making sales right now, so that we can promote those products. So you can sign up for 7 days free trial, so you can sign up here. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in and then we can do the analysis. So let me log in here. Once you come to your dashboard, what we are going to do is that we are now going to find the product that we need to promote. We are not going to do emotional product selection whereby we will struggle to make sales. So we are going to look at which product that is getting sales. What we are going to do is that you are going to come to top gravity. Once you come to top gravity, you can see that Okinawa flat belly tonic is ranking 1.5 on Clickbank, but when you come here, the gravity change, that is the change of gravity within some time. So you can see that the change is -9. That means this product is falling in terms of gravity. When you come to the current sales performance, this product, there's no data. And then when you come to the second one here, you can see that it's ranking number 1 on Clickbank. So you can see that in terms of gravity change, this product has moved upwards, which is positive. And when you come to the current sales performance, you can see that this product is negative. So as you can see, the third one too, when you come here, is 2.5 on Clickbank. When you come to gravity change, you can see that the product is -3, which means it has fallen in terms of gravity. But when you come to current sales performance, you can see that this product has moved upwards, which means it's a good product to promote because all that we need is sales. We don't need gravity, we need sales. So as you can see here, it is getting sales. It doesn't mean that the rest are not getting sales. Let me be quick to add that, but we are just using the data here to analyze. I'm not saying that if you promote these products you are not going to make a sale, but I'm using the data from this particular website to do the analysis. So when you come here, let's scroll further. When you come further, you can see that there's another product here, which is the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. You can see that in terms of gravity, it has fallen in negative. When you come here, in terms of current sales performance, there's no data here. When you come to BioFit, you can see the rank is 2.5. In terms of gravity, it has fallen slightly. In terms of current sales performance, you can see that this product is really doing well. It's 41.5. So when you come here, you can see custom keto diet. In terms of gravity, it has also fallen -3. When you come to current sales performance, there's no data. So you can do the analysis for all these products that are here. So now that we are looking for sales, we are going to go for this product, the BioFit, because in terms of current sales performance is doing well. So we are going to select that product. For me, I'm promoting based on the health and fitness, but so I found this product, I'll promote it. But if you are just trying to select any category, you can just come to the best gains. When you come to the best gain, you can see that there are a lot of products that are doing really well. When you come here, you can see that this product, in terms of Clickbank rank, it is 49. When you come to gravity change, no data. When you come to current sales performance, you can see that this is a massive change. You can see that 717. You can see all these products are doing well in terms of current sales performance. As you can see, their rank on Clickbank is not number one, it's not number two, but in terms of current sales performance, they are doing well. So this is data to guide you to select the product that you can use to make money on Clickbank. So as you can see, a whole lot of them. So you have to avoid emotional product selection. Just look at gravity and select. You have to be looking at tools like this so that you can check the data before you select the product. So as you can see, so when you scroll, you can see that there are many products here which have performed well in this current time. So you can see field tennis online video instruction courses. You can see that it has also performed well. So I'm going to go with the biofit product, so you can also do the analysis and select the product that you want. So the most important point is to look at the current sales performance so that you can select the product. So now we know the product that we are going to promote. What you are going to do is that you are now going to go to Clickbank Marketplace so that you can now begin to promote the product. When you come back to Clickbank, what you are going to do is that you are going to now click on the marketplace. Once you come to the marketplace, you are now going to go straight to the product that you want to promote. So when you come here, our product is in the health and fitness, so you are going to click on that. Once you click on that, let's scroll. As you can see, when you promote this product and you get a sale, you are going to earn $180 per sale, and that is good. If you get 2 sales, that is 300 plus a day. So this is a good product that we can promote. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come to the affiliate page. That is where you can get the thing that you need to promote the product. So you click on it. When you come to the biofit affiliate page, when you scroll down, you can see the tools that they have for us here to promote the product. You can see the campaign information, you can see hop links and pixels, you can see email swipe, you can see banners. When you come here, you can see landing pages, you can see videos. Here you can see product images, author pics and testimonials. So as you can see, free ebooks and articles. So you are going to select any tool that you want to promote the product. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ebooks to promote a product like this. So we are going to go to the ebook. So you click on go. So once you click on go, you can see they have up to 4 ebooks that you can download to promote the product. These ebooks are written by experienced marketers, so they have information that can convince people to buy the product. So I'm going to go with this ebook, so you click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that when you scroll, you can see the interior of this particular ebook. As you can see, it has a lot of information here. So as you can see, it's a very good ebook. And now what we are going to do is that we are going to give this ebook away for free so that we can get people to click our affiliate link and then buy the product for us to earn the money. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you are going to do is that you are now going to download it onto your PC. So you click on download. Okay, you click on save. So once you click on save, you can see that the ebook is downloading onto my PC, and now it has been downloaded. And now what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this website seda.com. So on this website you can edit PDFs. So we are going to now edit the ebook and then insert our affiliate links. So you click on it. Okay, anyway, if you are getting value out of this video, kindly hit the like button and then make sure you leave a comment below so that I will know what the next content that you want me to create, so that I can do that for you. So what you are going to do, you are now going to upload your PDF here. So you click on upload PDF file. Once you click on upload PDF file, what you are going to do is that you are now going to upload a PDF file here. So you upload it and it's uploading. So once it has uploaded onto this website, what you are going to do, you can scroll down and look at it. So as you scroll down, so let's go to the last pages of this ebook. When you come to the last pages of this ebook, you can see that the author has call to actions here. So this is where we are going to insert our affiliate link. You can see another one here. So you are going to now click on links. Once you click on links, you are now going to click on the call to action. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to delete this particular link and then insert your affiliate link. So you are going to go back to Clickbank. Once you come back to Clickbank, we are now going to click on promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to click on generate hop link. This is your unique affiliate link. So when people purchase the product through this link, you are going to earn a commission. So you are going to click on copy this link. So you are going to copy it here. Once you copy the link, you are now going to go back to your PDF editor. Once you come back to your PDF editor, you are going to delete the link here, then you are going to paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste your affiliate link here, so you can now close it. Once you close it, when you come here, you can see that the call to action is now linked to your affiliate product. So when people click this call to action, then purchase the product, you are going to earn a commission. So once you've done that, what you are going to do is that you are now going to click on apply changes. Once you click on apply changes, you can see this is now your ebook. As I scroll, you can see how it look like. What you are now going to do is that you are going to download this ebook. So as you can see here, it has now been downloaded. Once you download the ebook, this is how it is going to look like. So as you can see it here, as you can see, all the information is there. When you scroll to the button, you can see these call to actions are linked to our affiliate product. So the next thing to do is that we are now going to give this ebook for free, so that when people read the information in the book, they can now come here and then click, because they can see discount. So this is a very useful call to action that can get people attention to click through the product. In order to give this book away, you are going to publish it on a website which I'm about to show you. So you are going to come to this website, issue.com. so I don't know how to pronounce it the right way, but I think it's issue.com. so issue.com. Once you come to issue.com, now what you are going to do is that you are now going to upload your PDF document. You are going to select from your device, so because you have downloaded it onto the PC, so it's your device, so you are going to select that. Once you click on PC, you are now going to select the product that you have. So you are now going to select the ebook. So once you select it, you are going to open. So it is now uploading onto the website, as you can see. So you are going to wait patiently until it uploads. So as you can see, 100% done. So once it's done, this is how it is going to look like. So you are now going to provide the details of your ebook. So when you come here, you are going to give the title, the description of the ebook. When you come here, you can now select the type. So you are going to go with ebook, as you can see, and many other details. Now let's begin adding our metadata. So here we are going to look at the title of the book. So when you come here, you can see the title of the book. You can see 7 days fat flash. So we are going to just put a title, 7-day fat flash. So let's go to the website. So once you come here, you're now going to enter your title, so you can make it catchy so that people will click through. So you are going to just search for a nice title just like this, so that it will be catchy for people to click on it. So the next thing is the description. So I have a description, I'm going to paste it here. So as you can see my description here, it is time to learn how to burn fat fast. Even if you have failed in the past, burning fat is easy. So as you can see, this is my description and it's attention grabbing. So you are going to also write a useful description like this, so that you can publish it on this website. This is a big website and it attracts a lot of visitors. Once you have your title and now you have your description, what you are going to do is that you are now going to select the type, which is book. Then when you come here, you can say backdate. You don't need to backdate. When you come here, availability, you have to leave it public, so that anyone who comes to this website can find your book. Now as you can see, that is done. And what you are going to do is that you are now going to click on publish now. So you click on publish. So you are going to accept the terms of service here. Once you accept it, click on publish, and now you can see the book here. And what you are going to do is that you can copy the URL of your book here and you can share it on your social media platforms. So now the book is live on issue, and as you can see it here, as I open, you can see the book. As you can see, we haven't gotten downloads yet, so people are going to download this ebook and then purchase the product that we are promoting, so that you can earn a commission. You can also share it here to your friends and family, so that they can read this ebook. That's how you make your first commission on Clickbank for free without paying for any advertisement. So if you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.